Hi, we're heading to an elephant sanctuary. We're currently in Chiang Mai and ito pa yung Grab driver ko for today. The ride is approximately
43 minutes.
See you later. Kain muna. Kasi baka wala na kaming puntahang may kainan. Quick stopover lang.
Kain muna kami guys bago para may lakas kami. Wala pa kami lunch, brunch, breakfast sa lunch. Ayun, kaya na update namin kayo later. Elephant Sanctuary. Usually, kami dito mga taga Chiang Mai, alam na namin yung mga mangyayari. Kaya, para sabihan namin yung mga turista na daan na mga elephants namin dito ay mga hybrid talaga. May Sativa at saka Achica.
Our photographer, Mr.
Yo!
Yeah, Mr. Yo, Mr. Yo. Okay, yeah. If you want a photo, or in Philippines name, is have a 3 different name.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
we have 4.
4.
The 4 is typhoon.
Ayo, kalma.
Baby elephant.
Okay, everyone. Ay, chong kap. Okay. Okay, everyone. Yeah, before we gonna feeding the elephant, yeah, and let's say your body name first. Yeah, and take a photo with the
Nakalabit siya.
The first one. Yeah. This area is giving you gonna feeding her, yeah. This one, yeah, her name is Shong Shong. Shong Shong. She's 36 years old. Shong 36 years old. This one, yeah, big baby. Big baby is Lucky. Lucky 3 years old.
Lucky.
Yeah, Lucky 3 years old. This one, oh, grandma. Grandma is 60 years old. Name Nam Duan. This is Thai name, okay? Yeah, that's one. Wan Zai. Yeah, Wan Zai is a Thai name too. Wan Zai 25 years old. Yeah, 25 years old. And the last one is Lumiere. Yeah, Lumiere is 4 years old. Every elephant here is a female elephant, and everyone is from their stuff. Yeah, except the grandma. Grandma for the riding stuff. Yeah. Okay, everyone, you focus.
Ako lang sa baby ka mag-ano. Yun siya ba eh? 60 years. Ayun din, medyo ano, hindi siya napapakain. Bigyan natin siya. Ito.
Yum, yum, yum.
Friends tayo, friends. Yan sa kanya. Binabacuum nila, tapos kakainin nila. Sige. Okay na ako. Tagabigyan mo ako eh. Dami yan.
Yung phone ko naman.
Yung maliit. Okay.
Elephant, they are healthy or not healthy at the pool. And normally I'm not do like this, yeah, okay? It's special for everyone, okay? And normally do like this for shake the elephant poop. They are not healthy, yeah. Look at the poop first and smell it. Turn. No, no, don't turn.
Barman.
If you want to touch, you can touch it, but I gotta tell you, is smelling is gonna stick on your.
It's okay.
Oh, sorry. Just you're not breathing? Okay. It smells good more than your pool. Really? Don't test it. Why are you so far over there? Okay. Yeah, for the elephant poop, it's not to smell bad and not smell good. No. Yeah. But like this is it means they are have a healthy. Yeah, they are healthy. But sometimes it smells so very bad, like something died. Yeah. Yeah, if it smells like something that it means that they have some problem in their digestion, something like that. Yeah, yeah. We can see like if we.
Not sticky rice, just normal.
No, it's okay. I'm just filming.
It's hard.
It's okay.
Lalagay na yung kanin
Did you
dyan.
have a lunch?
Nagawa.
Do you have lunch?
Sige.
Did you have lunch already? Mother. Okay. You like when you're angry at someone, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, mother.
Kung kailan na.
Professional, yeah.
This one, anger issues.
He's a professional, you see. Yeah. You do like this every day? Yeah. You do like this every day?
How to mix it? Yeah, to mix. Okay.
Sticky rice.
Still. You have
Just
mango?
rice.
Mango?
No.
No mango.
Talsik-talsik ka.
Parang nagpapalayok ng saging tsaka kanin. Ay, ng saging ba? Paghaluin mo, mix.
Mix it.
Mix it.
Massage.
Yeah, Thai massage.
Yan.
Thai massage.
Extra squishy, James.
Kasi ibibilog natin siya like a ball kasi para kainin siya ng elephant.
Oh, abi, basta kasi yan, okay. No working na, no go back home na.
Giring-giring yan din.
Yeah.
Yan na. Oras pa tayo makakain niya.
Thai massage, yeah.
Yan. Okay.
Di mo pa nga tapos yung
Yeah.
kanin mo eh.
Okay na yan.
And
Pag-mix na
tonight you
yan.
do a Thai massage for your mommy, okay? Yeah.
Amoy ano na.
Thai massage, Thai massage.
It's quite rewarding, actually. That's very nice.
So magpapaligo na kami ng elephant ngayon. Kaya ikaw muna. Ako muna ang intang videographer. Isa akong professional wildlife instructor. Ayan. Nag-sit na siya. Pwede ka sumali ba? So ngayon, noong 1973 nalaman ng mga wala. Ika. Nag-e-enjoy si Monica. Balik na siya. Tayo mo sa malaki eh.
Takot ako eh.
Hindi, ito mo si ate o mag-isang aso. Sa kabila ko. Dito ka sa kabila, be. Sa side. Sa side ka. Tingnan ang Thai massage. Thai massage? Yeah. Yeah, lagit ka. Nandiyan yung ano, GoPro ending.
So ayun guys, tapos na kami. Nag-base na kami, pinaliguan namin yung elepante. Sobrang saya na experience, sobrang worth it. lahat ng mga proceeds, lahat ng mga gastos na or yung entrance is going to the elephant. So I really suggest na kung gusto nyo makakita ng elephant, sa sanctuary kayo pumunta.
Huwag sa zoo.
Huwag sa zoo.
Makakasama nyo talaga sila. Makakakwentuhan nyo mga elephant. Marami yung buhay. So, dito hanggang dito na lang. Mamaya ulit. Bye-bye.
Peace.